Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that will elevate your YouTube game. We're going to delve into the world of YouTube account verification and show you how to unlock the power of verification for your channel. So, let's jump right in. First things first, let's understand why YouTube account verification matters. When you create a YouTube account, you have the standard features enabled. This will allow you to upload videos shorter than 15 minutes. You will not have access to some important features like custom thumbnails for videos and live streaming. So how can you verify your account and get these important features? You cannot get verified on the YouTube Studio app for mobile. You will have to use a browser to do this. Open the browser and type on the address bar youtube.com. Click on the profile icon from the top right and then on the menu click Studio. Probably if you are the first time on the Studio YouTube, you will see this short tutorial. Now click on the settings from the bottom. After this pop-up appears, click on Channel. Now click on the feature eligibility. You will see the features available to you. You should have the standard feature enabled. Standard features include upload videos and some options for adding collaborators. Intermediate features include videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, and streaming. Advanced features include appealing content ID claims, uploading more videos and shorts, also external links in the video description, and you can become eligible to apply for monetization. Let's activate the intermediate feature. For the intermediate feature, you will need to have access to a phone number. Click on Verify Phone Number. On this page, you can select text verification code or call. Do what you want. I will choose text. Select the country and then write your phone number and click Get Code. After that, wait until Google will send you a code on your phone. Write the code and click Submit. Now you see the phone has been verified. Close this page. On the feature eligibility, you will see that this step is enabled. You can also choose to continue to the next step of verification. You can simply do a video verification, send an ID to Google, or just wait 2 months until your channel gets some history. You can choose one of these. I already did a video verification and I did not record by mistake. But just follow the on-screen instructions, it's very easy. This is how you verify your channel on YouTube. So, what are you waiting for? Take control of your YouTube journey, unlock the full potential of your channel, and join the ranks of verified creators. Hit that verification button and let the world know you're here to make an impact. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with fellow creators. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Stay tuned, and together, let's conquer the YouTube universe. See you next time.